how can I register several accounts at the same time? Do I need to use different IP addresses for every single eBay account? Or can I just add them on DropshipBeast and the software will help me?
So to register more than one eBay account, you must having a different IP address. The IP address must be static to not be changed from time to time. This is static IP address. It is better to be on the location that you will sell. So if you are from Bulgaria and you will use all the time the account from Bulgaria, okay, you can use Bulgaria and to sell in USA or UK. But if you want to sell in another account, second one, you must having another IP address, another computer, and everything to be different. The phone number, company, email address, everything to be different. Otherwise, it is risky.
So let's say I have one eBay shop. Can I use different places to operate my shop? Let's say if I have 2 houses, for example, and I move locations every now and then, can I do it from both my apartments, or do I have to fix to only one place?
You can do it from a lot of places. I do this, but you must leave the PC turned on and to use the TeamViewer or remote desktop connection or any desk or any other software. This is the option 1. The option 2 is to connect this account to DropshipBeats and to manage the things only using the software. It is much more safety, and it is okay to not use the application on your phone because your phone is always connected to any Wi-Fi that found, or when you travel the IP address will be changed from time to time. You just will change the city, the cell, and it is better to not use the application, eBay application in your phone if you are a seller.
I guess if they see different IP addresses, they might block your account.
Yeah. And it's not because they are different IP addresses, it's because when you start eBay business, you have a chance to use the blocked IP address. And if I'm cheater and they block me, and after that you come and log in from your eBay account using my IP address, you will be blocked also.
Do we have to use tracking for UK market? So when we, let's say, send an item from Amazon to eBay, do you have to put a tracking number just to make it easier for the customer?
You can put the tracking number, but especially for UK, it is not necessary. They don't have metrics about that. So I suggest just to use mark as dispatched. It's like a ship, but in UK, the word is dispatched.
Can we do drop shipping with companies or websites which sell liquidated goods or pallet goods? Can we do FBA or FBM, for example? So these are the items I was talking about, the liquidated items which might have been returned by customers and they're much cheaper than usual.
In the past, we was doing this once after we see some rollback in Walmart, some days of promotion of some items that we know that they already have a lot of sales. We usually buy, send them to the prep center. They remove the Walmart boxes and just leave our boxes and put them in stock in Amazon. This is good. But if you are not sure what exactly you must list in Amazon or eBay to sell it, it is not good idea because you will buy a lot of items, and what will happen after that if you don't have a marketplace for them? It is good if the items are really with high quality, and if you already do some good research and you already know what kind of items you must sell there. But if you just buy a lot of items without any idea, are they okay to be sold in Amazon or in eBay? It's totally not good idea. It's up to you. My suggestion here is to test the items before start selling them.
So this calculator was in the course, the dropshipping course. Is it still relevant? Can we still use it to calculate the profit we make?
You can use any calculator that you want, but the proper way here is just to sell something, because if you have US eBay account and you sell something, you must to pay taxes of the specific item that you sell. If you sell item, sometimes just the item is with 10% tax, sometimes is 20%, sometimes when you sell in the UK market, you have VAT. Some items are without taxes, like books in UK. The proper way to do this is just to create an Excel table, like we do with all our stores, and to put there international fees, eBay fee, Amazon fee, all the taxes that you must to pay, and to create a profile for every different item for a clean profit, because otherwise most of the people don't have ability to calculate rightly what exactly they do. And my suggestion here is to be careful and to not lose the calculator like this all the time. Yes, of course you can use it, but again, to use it correctly, you must know all the parameters that you need to fill there. And it is very easy to calculate, is it profitable or not? When you see some item, deduct 30% from the listing price in eBay. And if the price of the supplier is not lower, this item is not profitable.
It's like a rule of thumb, 30% roughly.
Yeah, I just removed 30%, and if it's not working, of course, you have a lot of different things that change the game here. If you use the gift card, if you don't pay the taxes, if you are with Stealth account and you don't need to pay anything because you don't have business. If you have associates, employees, they must receive a salaries. If you pay for the office, so it is not very easy to calculate every dollar that you receive as a profit. And because of that, I just say to the people that start, deduct 30% and after sell the first item, check carefully, fill everything in the Excel, calculate for yourself and see the profit. And if the profit is not okay, leave this item, because I don't sell anything under 10%, but I have friends that they didn't sell anything under 30%. It depends from the person that do this business.
We can still use Paxful for the UK market. You already mentioned that, right?
Yes, Paxful is very good place to buy gift cards. They was having a lot of problems in the past with all the markets, these cards discounted. But right now, we use this type of cards in UK without any issue. So yes, we use it. We use it carefully. What this mean? This mean not more than £100 in account per day. This means carefully, because when they stop the account, they return the items. Some of the times, the last items that are not shipped will not be shipped. And if you have some loaded balance, you will lose it. So you can lose the items that are not shipped orders and the balance in the account. So be careful with that.